सो अभी तो एटलीस्ट तुम गूगल में सर्च करते हो तो जेमिनाई तुमको रेस्पॉन्स देता है, उस समय वो भी नहीं था. आई हैड टू सर्च ऑन गूगल टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम. आई हैड टू गेट 10 पेजेस or 20 पेजेस, एक एक करके मैं जाओ, look at the gibberish that people would put there, identify कि not all of the gibberish can be used in my situation, find out one that debugging would took me just ages. It took me ages. मैं जब सीखा था, I bought a paid course. I actually forgot the name, कौन सा paid course. I bought it from Udemy. I'll tell you that much. Right? And then I go and then bought multiple courses from Udemy. उसके बाद मैंने YouTube में सारे वीडियो चाट लिए. मेरे पास एक डायरी था जहाँ पे मैं लिखता था. I did not know note taking. मेरे पास I did not use things like Evernote, and जहाँ पे search and is very easy. You can just search something, it finds in all your notes. I did not have that. मैं physically notebook में लिखता था वो सब. Right? Notion was not well adopted at the time. Evernote was not well adopted at the time. Let's say let's say वो even something as simple as Pythagoras theorem. तुमको अगर एक्चुअली विजुअली समझना है उसको, देयर इज लाइक ब्रिलियंट में दिखाता है ग्राफिक्स. ओनली आफ्टर आई सॉ दैट ग्राफिक्स आई एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड Pythagoras theorem and all these other theories of and stuff, right? A lot of the concepts that I learned in a day was, I'll say, very difficult to learn, and that is why I think a lot of the people my age जो self learners नहीं है, they did not end up learning. Like I don't think there's anybody in my friend group who is like me. Right? Because nobody actually went ahead and did the hard job. Like I have a friend who occasionally calls me and be like, do you think I should learn coding? 2 साल से बोल रहा है वो, अभी तक सीखा नहीं है. समझ रहे हो ना? And I'll tell him कि, well, yes, you should. But then उसने कभी start नहीं किया because he doesn't know how to start.
I think they also want to optimize for a certain outcome, no? अच्छा मैं सीखूंगा, मेरे को ये ROI मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. हाँ. That is the thing they want to go do anything. Assurance, yeah. Certainty.
जो है नहीं.
I mean, this is there's an analogy that I always go back to, is you look at any top athlete, you look at any top musician, you look at any top person, right? Musk. Let's take Usain Bolt, right? वो जब दौड़ना शुरू किया था, it was not because he wanted to, like he was waiting for the right shoes to come, the right equipments to be there, and then he would start running, and outcome is already guaranteed कि वो Olympic medal होने वाला है ना. It's not that. He started because he was enjoying doing it, and he did it so well, he pursued it so much that he ended up getting those Olympic medals, right, for him, for the country.
That is how
he did it for the joy of it. ऐसा नहीं कि वो स्टार्ट करते ही उसको पहले से पता था ओलंपिक मेडल में मैं जाने वाला हूँ, है ना. तो right now that is the mindset I think with most people is like they want to optimize for outcome.